Hi, my name is Karen Wells, and I have designed a workshop for you. I'm going to tell you about it right now. It's called Stress Less, Move More Today. I've set this up for people who sit all day, whether you're at your home office or your work office, people that stand all day for their jobs, people that are uncomfortable during the daytime. And it's designed for you to do at your house, or we can do it virtually, which is the first way to do it if you're at your house or at your office, or we could do it live in person so that I can come to your office and teach your coworkers simple tips to help you during the workday to have better focus, more energy, better posture. If you're finding that you all day long you're sitting forward and you're going like this, then when you stand up, that's going to be your posture. So we want to open up the chest. We want to have more motion. People that have neck problems or tension in their shoulders, I've got tips for that. And I'd like for you to take out a pen and piece of paper right now and just write down, think about it. How many glasses of water did you have yesterday? How many hours did you sit yesterday? How many hours did you type on the computer with your keyboard yesterday? How many hours of sleep did you have yesterday? And what did you eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner yesterday? This is just a quick survey for you to take a look at what you're doing during your day. So I'm Karen Wells. The classes are going to be offered either through group or individual private sessions. You can get in touch with me through my website, www.kbwmovewell.com, or email me at karenbethwells@gmail.com, or on LinkedIn, Karen B. Wells. Thank you so much. I look forward to meeting you soon and helping you stress less, move more today. Thanks for joining me.